lakhs fees in a year. That from 2065, the government has developed one rule or imposing 1% tax on annual fee of the students. So if the school collect fees 25 lakhs, then 1% of annual fee, that is 1% of 25 lakhs, they need to pay to the government. They will deposit in the tax office, yeah, to the government. They need to pay. What is the 1% of 1 by 100 into 25 lakhs? Can you tell me what is 1% of this, RS? 1% of this, how much? 25,000? Yes, it is 25,000. They need to pay to the government as a tax. And next part, dear students, since 2065, dear students, okay, the government of Nepal started imposing a tax on the fees collected by the institutional school. This tax is collected in the following ways. The institutional school have to pay 1% of total admission fees and monthly tuition fees as a tax. So remember, they need to pay a 1% in admission fee and tuition fee. And in case of students who are going to abroad studies, 1% tax is imposed when they exchange foreign currency. Source government textbook. I have taken this information from our government textbook. It is given in that book. So remember, 1% of admission and tuition fee by the school need to pay to the government, and 1% tax imposed when they exchange the foreign currency. When students are going to study abroad, you will have experience if you want to go. Okay, it will be helpful at that time. Now moving to the next question, dear students. Yes. So what is our question? Please read this question, dear students. Calculate tax paid by a man who earns Rx 4 lakhs a year if his tax-free allowance is Rs 2,50,000 and tax rate is 15%. In your course book, here are some contradiction by the designer, because in one range we are discussing according to the latest information. In some cases we are discussing with the previous conditions, so you may have contradiction in your mind. So I have separately defined and discussed all the cases, dear students. Be updated yourself. So this is we need conceptual understanding among you, then the particular case, and be updated with the information. You can visit website and Google it, and what is the tax system of Nepal. You can study what is income tax, direct tax, indirect tax. Enough information you will get and be more informative than us. Okay, simply here we will focus in this question, dear students. His yearly income is 4 lakhs. His tax pay allowance is this and tax rate is this. So it's simple: annual income, tax free allowance, and taxable income is annual income minus tax free allowance. It will be deducted, and tax amount equal to tax rate of taxable income. Can you calculate, dear students? 15 by 100 times 15, or 1,50,000. It is 1,50,000. 15000 code. I think it is 22,500 or 25,000. What is the answer, dear students? 2250. 1,50,000, 20 cancel, 1500 times 15. Can you calculate 15 times 1500? Yes, it is the tax amount. Thank you, Ankitya. So 22,500 tax amount need to paid by the person if his tax free allowance is 25,000. But here is the case 1% for first slab, or by 15% of that slab, that slab, that is not given here this condition. So be focused in according to the condition. Here you may ask, sir, where is 1%? That is not given here. Just given simply a tax rate is 15%. Tax rate will be imposed on taxable income. This is the conceptual understanding. And you have to deduct tax-free allowance and apply according to the 15%. Only the questions ask that much information, or that much problem is given here. So I hope you understand this. If you have given single tax rate, tax-free allowance, then you need to pay the how much tax will you pay. If the question is given that way, then simply students find the difference of taxable income here like this, and subtract tax-free allowance from annual income. You will get taxable income, and according to the given rate you will apply. And for the next questions, the table will be given in the examination or in the questions or in the board. We will give the format of the tax 1% for 350 lakhs, or 15% for up to 450 lakhs, or like that table will be given. You don't have any problem at that time. But here according to the question number 7, you have to solve this problem. Just simply the condition or simply the objective of this question is subtracting 4 lakhs